Looking back at my progress this year, the jump from my first assignment, Shallow Waters, to my final opening Love Potion shows how much my technical skills have really evolved. My first project was a great introduction, but the final project is where I really started applying advanced storytelling through editing. In my first project, in Shallow Waters, the editing was functional but simple. The cuts were mostly on the beat of the music, and the transitions between the footage were straightforward. With Love Potion, the pacing is much more deliberate. I used rapid cuts during the lab sequences to build tension and carefully timed to reveal the title card to match the chemical reaction on the screen. One of the biggest differences is the use of specialized effects. For Shallow Waters, I stuck to basic filters and standard overlays. For Love Potion, I stepped it up by integrating 2 different editing platforms. I used Clipchamp for the overall structure, but switched to CapCut specifically to create the reverse motion effect for the potion scene, giving it that supernatural psychological thriller feel. Finally, the way I use footage to tell a story has changed. In the first project, the footage was more illustrative of the text. In Love Potion, the editing creates a narrative loop moving from the intense laboratory close-ups to the social interaction on the bench, and then using a text message overlay to bridge the 2 worlds. This creates a more polished and engaging experience for the viewer than my earlier work. Comparing these 2 projects really highlights how mastering these different technologies allowed me to move from a simple video assembly to an actual cinematic storytelling.